Hello, I'm Robert Grande. Great cooking can be quick and simple if you have the right ingredients on hand. One of my favorite on-hand ingredients is California figs. Fresh California figs, when they're in season, are so fabulous, but dried California figs are a delicious ingredient to have in your pantry all year round. I keep them in my pantry next to my salt and pepper, so I always know they're there when I want to enhance a dish. Here we have some baby carrots that were simmering in water with a little bit of salt. Simple and delicious, but what if we were to drain off that water and add a little nugget of butter? That would make them even better. But what if we also added a little bit of garlic, a little bit of ginger for kind of an exotic quality, and then certainly my favorite, some dried figs. And we're going to saute these all together in the pan so that they're lightly going to cook together and kind of caramelize. All those flavors sort of marrying together. So now I'm going to add a little bit of chopped cilantro to our carrots and figs. A little nice squeeze of lime juice. Kind of bring all the flavors out. Wilt that cilantro. A little pinch of salt. A little pinch of pepper. Stir it together. They look beautiful. This looks delicious. This is how you take a simple dish and make it absolutely marvelous if you have the right ingredients on hand. So next time you're in the market, be sure to pick up some California dried figs for your pantry. Figs can make a simple dish delicious. So when you think delicious, think figs. And when you think figs, think California.